Capturing wildlife in its raw beauty is an art, whether you're a beginner or an aspiring pro. Today, we're unlocking expert secrets to help you take breathtaking wildlife photos. Stay till the end for bonus pro tips that most photographers won't tell you. The best camera for wildlife photography isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one you know how to use. But here are some key essentials. A telephoto lens, 200mm to 600mm, lets you capture close-up shots without disturbing the animals. A camera with fast autofocus and burst mode helps freeze those unpredictable wildlife moments. A sturdy tripod or monopod is a lifesaver, especially for long waits in the field. Settings matter more than you think. Here's a cheat sheet for your next adventure. Shutter speed, 1/1000s or faster to freeze motion. Aperture, keep it wide, f/2.8, f/5.6 to blur the background and make the subject pop. ISO, start low, 100 to 400, but don't be afraid to increase if light is low. The best wildlife shots come from patience and strategy. Move slowly and quietly. Study your subject's behavior and use natural cover. Early mornings and late afternoons are golden hours for both lighting and animal activity. A great photo is more than just the subject, it's about composition. Use the rule of thirds, get eye level with the animal, and frame your subject with natural elements. Leave negative space if the animal is moving to show direction and movement. Lighting can make or break your photo. Golden hour offers soft, warm light. Backlighting creates stunning silhouettes, and overcast days provide soft, diffused light. A little post-processing goes a long way. Adjust exposure and contrast, boost saturation slightly. Use selective sharpening on the animal's eyes, and remove distractions for a cleaner composition. There you have it, expert secrets to wildlife photography that can transform your shots from ordinary to extraordinary. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know what topic you'd love to see next. Until next time, get out there and capture the wild.